Welcome back. This is week 6, analysis for week 6. We'll start with the dollar index weekly time frame. Let me zoom in. We were bearish last week. I gave us scenarios that we could be bearish last week. That was why that could happen. And I told us if it trades below this area that I marked out, then this is where we're heading to. And that is also the monthly FVG. So we're ultimately going to trade into this level. That may not happen with a one single candle. We could trade to the rejection block here by the end of this new trading week. But what I'm saying in essence is that we're going to be bearish for the dollar. The dollar index is going to be bearish because we've closed below this area that is shaded and we're inside the order block. I think we've traded to the mean threshold of the order block, bullish order block. So the next point of call will be the rejection block here. And after that, upper week will be trading into the monthly FVG. It could do this. It could just trade in to the monthly FVG this new trading week. All I'm saying is that we are bearish. My focus is to trade into this level. So if it takes us 2 weeks, 1 week, or 3 weeks, ultimately, this is where we're trading into. Because the signature we have right now, it's a bearish signature, okay? That's broken structure to the downside. So we're ultimately going to trade into this level. On daily time frame, we saw what happened on Monday. It was bullish on Monday, traded to above it, but you can see the bodies of the candles respecting the daily CB, traded inside, but the close, the wicks do the damage, the body tell the story. So it traded out, the wicks went out, but the bodies respected the FVG, the CB. And on Tuesday, double tops, it swept it and then rejected lower. We had explosive price move on Thursday, and this is where we are on Friday. What do you see here? We have an FVG here, CB, and then a bearish order block. So we could have a Monday, Tuesday trade into it, bullish movements, rally up into it. I want to see it respect the 50% of this CB here, this mark here. I want to see, let me take off this. I want to see respect this 50% this here. I want to see the bodies of the candle trade below. It shouldn't close above it. It should trade below it. Even if it closes above it, I am still bearish, okay? But ultimately, it could trade into this FVG here and then start swelling higher. It will give me, I'll be more confident in the sell if it trades, the body of the candle stays below the 50% of this shaded area. Ultimately, these lines that are marked here, these dotted lines, okay? I want to see the bodies respect the lower half of the 50%. Okay, the wicks could trade through, but the body should respect the 50%, the mean threshold. That's what I'm looking at. Then Tuesday, Wednesday should have a reversal movement downward to start trading lower. So that's my anticipation for the dollar index. So we had a Monday bullish movement. Tuesday took out Monday's high. Wednesday swept the relatively equal highs, and then it gave up the ghost, traded to the rejection block here, and then gave up the ghost, traded softly down, and then Thursday we had explosive price move to the downside, and this is where we are at the moment. So we are bearish on the dollar index. So this is where I want to see price trade to that FVG on Thursday. It could trade all the way up to here, but this is where I want to look at. I want to see it trade to this old low here. That could be, that's what I'm looking at. All right. So a bullish movement up to this level, and then so we'll have something like this up and down. That's what I'm looking at for the dollar index, up and then down. All right, so let's go to fiber. Fiber was bullish because Euro dollar was bearish, Euro USD was bullish. So that's traded through, closed above the CB here, just a mirror image of what happened to the dollar. So I want to see it trade to it again and then rally up. This is where we're expecting price to get to. Okay, these are ultimate terminals. This is where we're expecting price to trade to. Okay, so we are going to be bullish on this pair. All right, daily time frame we had Monday, it gapped down. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it was all bullish all through for fiber. It was bullish all through. It has traded through the rejection block. So next point of call is to trade higher into this level. Will it do it this new trading week? I don't know, but ultimately we're going to get there. All right, that's where I'm expecting price to trade to. So any movement down to the downside is you have a BC here. So even if you trace through the inversion FVG here, this BC should hold price as support to send price higher. All right, I think this has fulfilled its objective. Let me take it off. So that's where I want to see price trade to. Monday, Tuesday, we would have a decline. Monday, Tuesday, this is a bearish order, bullish order block. Monday, Tuesday, decline to this level, and then we'll have a reversal maybe Wednesday or even Tuesday New York session to trade higher. Let's go to the next one, cable. Cable was also bullish. The next point of call, I want to see trade through the rejection block, trade to the rejection block. So these are targets here. The mean threshold was respected, but I don't think that that would be the case. I think it will trade through this bearish order block, because if you see euro trading to this level, then cable should trade above this high. We should be in the premium of this range high to this range low. So trade above this high. That's actually where I'm looking at. Okay, we have inversion FVG here. If I extend it out here around that area, let me just do it for completeness sake. I have something like this. So ultimately, this is where I'm expecting price to trade to before any form of reversal. Daily time frame, we have Monday was bearish, gapped down, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday took out this high, and this way on Friday we have equal highs here that's traded to it. I want to see it go higher. If dollar remains bearish, this is going to go higher to this level. Will it do it this week? It may. It can. It can also, take its time to go over there, but ultimately that's where we're going to. We have bullish FVG here, BC here. Price could trade to it as support, find some support there to rally higher. That's for that. Aussie was bullish as well, swept the lows, broken structure high. So we are bullish. This is where I want to see some form of resistance here. So we trade through this and then find some form of resistance along this, around this bearish order block. Okay. Weekly time frame. We had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It was just, it couldn't trade above this consolidation. Obviously, we finally did that on Friday, traded out. So it could stall here for a while, maybe Monday, Tuesday, stall here before it takes off. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. The next is Kiwi. So Kiwi was also bullish as well. We want to see trade through this monthly CB. I want to see trade through it and find some support here, some resistance here along this bearish order block. So we are also bullish rather, on Kiwi. USD card swept the monthly relatively equal highs, swept it here, and then it has rejected. This is not all for me. This is not the end of this movement. If we go higher, But for now, because dollar is bearish, it's going to, find some form of support around this area before it starts going higher. On daily time frame, we had consolidation from Monday through to Wednesday, and Thursday had that explosive price move downward, and then we had traded to this level on Friday. There is no form of imbalance here, apart from old high. So any retracement downward, we have this old high here that would act as support before any movement higher. No imbalance here. It breaks below this low, then we're going to trade to this level. But that would be if dollar is extremely bearish. All right, as long as dollar trades to that monthly PC and then find support there, it will also change gears for this pair to go higher. The yen pair will ultimately take out this low, trade to this area. There's small FVG here. As I'm looking for price to trade to. So let's see, as it stands now, I want to see it violate this low. So I think our next point of call is to trade to that low here. This low here, that's our next point of call. Let me put the line there. See how price trades around it. Okay. This, yes, that's it. Okay, next one is Sweezy. So the Sweezy was also bearish. It's creating pool of liquidity here. It's creating pool and pool of liquidity. So movement down one more time, take out this low here, find some support around this bullish order block. If it stalls price here, the next movements will be to break through these highs and then trade to this level I outlined weeks ago. All right, next would be, let's see what happened Monday within the week. So we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, high of the week. And then we had that reversal on Thursday. And then Friday took out this low. Next point of call, we need to take out this and then trade into this level. We have relatively equal lows here. And then this is where I'm looking at. Let me mark it out. That's what I'm looking at for this new trading week. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. Let's go to our indices. I told us that I want to see bullish movement up, that this is not the high. So it was bullish last week. So I want to see it go higher. We had consolidation from Monday to Wednesday, then Thursday had the reversal to the bullish side. These are equal highs. It's not going to leave price here. I want to see an expansion to the upside and see if we could target the 6,200 level. That's where I'm looking at price to get to before we have any form of bullish, bearish movement or reversal. Let me mark that level, 6,200. That's where I'm expecting price to get to, okay? 6,200 price level. Next, we have the bullish movement as well for NASDAQ 100. It was bullish last week, created equal highs with the high on 16th of December. So I want to see it trade through it. I want to see it trade through it to the 22,200 level. Then for US 30, it has 3 times failed to take out this high. I'm still not comfortable with this. I still feel it's going to rally higher. We have small FVG, a small imbalance here, and movement lower. We find some support here to take price higher. Gold finally took out that high we were talking about, and I'm still not comfortable. It's going to go higher. I feel it's going to go higher. That level is what? the 2,900 price level. That's traded through it. The high came in at 2,942.71. It's going to go higher again because we expect dollar to rally, to decline. So if dollar is going to decline, this is going to send price higher. Okay, so expecting a higher price. At least let's take out the high, the previous week's high, like this last week's high is going to take out last week's high for any form of retracement to the downside. The moment dollar trades to the monthly BC, monthly imbalance, and finds some support there, that will be when this asset is going to start its decline, its bearish movement. All right, we had, let's see, we had Monday bullish, Tuesday, Wednesday consolidated, Thursday rally higher, Friday reversal. I don't think this is going to be the high. No, I don't think so. I think it's going to push it higher again. 4 hours time frame, let's see. Okay. No imbalance here, apart from this old low. Please resting below this low. So sweep it to rally higher. We have this low here and an imbalance here. I don't think that's going to happen. I think it will stall here and send price higher. Relatively equal highs here. So I feel it's going to send price higher to clear these equal highs. Okay, before any significant movement to the downside. BTC weekly time frame has been consolidating here, building more orders, building sentiment. The next push is going to go higher, and then we'll see if we're going to hit the 120 price level for BTC. So that's your analysis for this week. We are bearish on dollar, bullish on gold, bullish on indices, bullish on cable and fiber, Aussie and Kiwi, bearish on Loonie, Swiss, and Yen. That's our analysis, okay? We want to see dollar trade to the monthly PC. We want to see euro trade to this before any form of movement to the downside. We want to see pound, that's cable, trade to this level. We want to see Aussie trade up, filling this imbalance, find some resistance around this bearish order block. Same thing for Kiwi. Want to see Loonie trade to this bullish order block here, find some support. Want to see Yen take out this low. Want to see Swiss trade to this FBG here on daily time frame, I suppose, and then find some support on this bearish order block, a bullish order block rather. Want to see indices trade higher, take out that level. Same thing, take out with the equal highs here, and then take out this as well for US 30, then gold, take out last week's high. That's analysis for this new trading week. I'll see you all next weekend for another session. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you next week. Good night.